Hello friends, welcome to Sudhas Veg Recipes. Pav Bhaji is a universally popular food from streets of Mumbai, and sandwiches and toasts are integral part of our life nowadays. In today's recipe, I am bringing a fusion of the two for you, that is Pav Bhaji toast. So let's start. I have taken few bread slices here. We'll make filling for this now. So heat a pan. So into this let's add about 1 tablespoon of butter. The butter is starting melting now. Let's add a finely chopped green chilli and one finely chopped onion to this. Now we add some finely chopped capsicum and very few grated carrots and some green peas, about 10 to 12 peas. Saute them. 1 teaspoon garlic paste. Saute well. 1 small tomato finely chopped. Mix this. We'll now add some spices to this. So salt to taste. About 1 teaspoon will be enough. Some red chilli powder and some cumin seeds. We don't want to cook too much. And finally I am going to roughly break these two small boiled potatoes into this mixture and mix well. So the vegetables are done. Now into this finally goes the star ingredient, that is Pav Bhaji Masala. Give this a nice mix and the filling is ready. Let the filling cool down before we fill them into sandwiches. The filling has cooled now slightly. Let's add 1 or 2 drops of lemon juice. Mix this and now it's ready for the toasted sandwiches. So let's take this off. I have kept a non-stick pan on flame here. So I have buttered one bread, keeping the bread down, and now let's fill the vegetable mixture into this. Spread this nicely. You can use the quantity low or more as per your choice. Cover this. Apply some butter on the other bread as well. One more. And let them get toasted. So one more I have assembled here on plate, and now I am keeping this on tawa for getting toasted. Apply some butter. And let it cook on slow flame for few minutes or till the breads are golden brown. Let's check our toasted sandwiches now. The sandwiches are nice brown on one side, so let's flip them over and let them cook on the other side as well till they are golden brown. I have not removed the sides of these breads, but if you don't like them, you can remove. Let's see the other side also. Yeah, the toast have cooked well on the other side also. So now we can remove them into a plate. I have assembled 2 more sandwiches, so I'll place them now. From the filling that we made, I could make 5 sandwiches. And now let us plate these. So our Pav Bhaji toasts are ready. Let's cut them. It's time to plate them. So our buttery spicy treat Pav Bhaji toasted sandwiches are ready. You can serve them with some tomato ketchup and green chutney if you like. You can alternately pack this into your kids' tiffin and attach a tomato ketchup sachet with this, and they are sure to going to finish this and return. So I hope you will like this recipe. So do try this, which is less buttery but equally tasty version of your favorite pav bhaji. And please share and comment. See you with more exciting recipes next time. Bye.